This is the Woodford 10630 oval handle. This metal is made of complete metal. A couple things about it. You can see that square brooch in there, as well as the square on that end. And we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the handle. We'll start with a total length long ways here. That is not going to work, so there we go. The total length measures right at 5 inches. And then we'll get like height of it, it's right about 2.5 inches. And then we'll get an outside diameter here of that circle opening there. And that measures right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then from this end, we can measure that square brooch. We'll get the inside diameter of it. It measures right at about 1/2 inch there. So once again, this is the Woodford 10630 oval handle.